Glasgow librarians have exciting information to share, so listen closely for a new way to access the books you are eager to check out. Glasgow Middle School staff and students now have access to close to 1,500 ebooks and over 100 audiobooks. All you need is a laptop, e-reader like a Kindle or an iPad, or a smartphone. Here's how you access these books. From a laptop or a computer, go to the website macandvia.com. If you are using a device, you may download the Macandvia app from your app store. Once you are there, sign in using Glasgow Middle School as your school name. Make sure you click on the FCPS option. Once here, you're going to click Login. You're going to click on Fairfax County Public Schools. Then you're going to log in with your username, and for students, it's your student ID number. Type in your password, then click Login. Once you've logged into your account, you can see all of the audiobooks and ebooks that we have in our collection. To see specifically for ebooks, go ahead and click on ebooks, and notice we have over 1,400 titles. You can browse through them by just clicking Load More, but if you don't want to look through all 1,400, you can just type in a title in the search bar. Once you see the title, Crossover is in, so I can either review it by clicking Open Now, or I can check it out. If you wanted the audiobook option, you could also scroll down. We have 166, so you could look through those titles, or type in the title of the one that you want, hit enter. This audiobook is also in, so you can listen to it to see if you really want to check it out, and if you decide to do so, then you just click on the checkout option. You always have access to see what your checkouts are by clicking on your person next to your name and clicking on checkouts to review which ones you have checked out. Don't worry about overdues because the system will take them back when their time is up. Or if you finish it early, you can always click on Return. Once you are finished using the audiobooks and ebooks, just make sure you click Exit. If it's your own personal device, you don't necessarily need to exit out of the system. But if you are using a shared computer, you definitely want to make sure that you exit out of the system. Come by the library and let us know what questions you have about checking out books through the Macandvia online system. Thanks, and happy reading.